Hello, greetings and salutations. Right, today I am going to show you how that you can draw a harmonic scan onto TradingView. How you can put that harmonic scanner, the alert that comes up, onto your TradingView so that you've got it forever. Because as we know with a harmonic scanner, sometimes it can redraw, it can repaint, sometimes the scans can disappear, and it's very frustrating when you've kind of been looking at a harmonic scan and then you go to look at it again the next time you log in and it's gone. So this is an essential piece of training that you are going to want to really sort of watch over and over again and start to practice this and get really good at it. Before I get going with that, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video if you get value from it. And then we're going to jump straight into this and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's go for it. Let's share screen. Okay, share. Okie dokie then. Right, so this is the Harmonic Scanner. It is an incredible trading tool that is provided to us when you're a customer with the IM Academy. And what it does, it scans the markets for really good setups. It looks for changes in you know, the buying and the selling and all that kind of stuff like that. And it's really good. It's a brilliant tool. So what I want to do is this harmonic scan pattern is showing us that there's going to be a reversal in the market. It's showing us that this D point, okay, is going to turn and this scan is going to come up for a buy. Okay, that's what it's telling us. So D, if it's down below, it wants to go up. Okay, if the D's up here, then it wants to come down for a sell. So in this particular scan, the D point is here. This is telling us that this is our entry point. Okay. The great thing about the harmonic scanner is it gives you an entry price. It gives you a take profit 1 and a take profit 2 and take profit 3. This one's going straight to take profit 3. And it also gives you a stop loss. So the harmonic scans that come up are brilliant. And also, I'm not going to go into the harmonic scanner today too much, but you can choose what time frame and what broker you choose. But this is the scan that I'm interested in, the Great British Pound, Australian dollar. So I want to draw this harmonic pattern onto my trading view. So what I do is I get a good old-fashioned piece of pen and paper, okay, and I draw the really random crazy pattern, okay, like that, to show you. So I've drawn that. Now, what I want to know is where this X is, right? Firstly, make sure that your time zone, so I'm on London, okay, matches up with your trading view. Make sure you're on the same time zone. Okay, so I'm in London on this one as well. London, tick. Good. Right. Harmonic scanner. So what we want to do is look at the D. And can you see where my little crosshair is covering the D? And can you see at the bottom of that, the X is the 16th of October at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So what I've done is I've written that down on my bit of paper where my X is, right? And then your A, so hover over where A is, your A point is there, and that is the 20th of October at 1500. Can you see where I'm looking at the bottom here on this grid? Right, my B point is there. So my B is on the 20th of October at 8 o'clock in the evening. My C, which is there, is on the 22nd of October at 6 a.m. and my D is on the 26th of October at 9 a.m. Now, that is as technical as I've done. Okay, can you just see I've literally written down the times and dates? So what I then do is go over to my trading view and I find those points. So what I want to do is this is what I do, but you know, everyone's different, is I grab a little shape. Right, my X was on the 16th of October, so we're going along this bar here, 16th of October at 1. Okay, so it was there. Okay, that was my X point. Okay, so I'll put a little mark there. And then the next one, my A, was on the 20th of October at 1300. There. That's where my next point was. Okay, so my B was on the 20th of October 20. Oh, look, right on there. There we go. The more you do these, the quicker you'll become, and you'll be able to see these without even looking. Right, the 22nd of October, 6. There, that one. And then my next point is the D point, which is our entry point, which was the 26th of October at 9. There. Right, so you can see now how I put these little points on. So that is where my scan is. So what I do is I go over to this one here. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? That's this one. This one. Sorry, look. I'm not looking at mine. There we go. The XABCD pattern. That's your harmonic scanner. So you click that, see where it is on that funny little picture there. And then you go 1, X, A, B, C, D. Look, I've drawn my harmonic pattern on. Right, so what I want to do to make sure these are definitely lined up is I'd use what's called a magnet tool. Okay, I just scan in and you can see that needs to magnetize to there because that's where that one was. So that's magnetized. Shrink that back down again. Okay, and we're going to just zoom in on this one up here. And my A was actually on that one. Okay, so that's there, and the magnet tool sucks it to it. See, it sucks it into that. Okay, so I get my, let's do the B. B was on that bit there. See, it sucks it in, sucked it in there, look. And then my C, so I'm using my magnifying glass just to look at that area a bit more precisely. Right, the C, I think that's pretty standard because that's the highest point, isn't it? So I'm going to stick with that. But yeah, that was, oh, no, it's at 5 though, wasn't it? So, is it that one then? It's kind of in the middle of these two, so I'm going to put it on this point here. I'm going to put it on that point there because that was the highest point there, okay? And then I just want to magnify in on my D, and that's perfect. Look, that's magnified in on there perfectly. Right, so there is my harmonic scan on my chart. And all I'm going to do, take the magnet tool off, I'm going to lock it. So make sure it's highlighted, which it is, lock it. So my harmonic scan is now locked onto my trading view. So I've got that there forevermore, amen, okay? So that is how you draw your harmonic scan onto your trading view with a simple bit of paper and a pen, a few notes, and you use your lock-in and your magnet tools just like that, and you lock it on, and then you've got your scan, and that will be on your chart until you take it off again, okay? Because I've locked it. See, I've locked it on. Okay, make sure you lock it on and it will never move, okay? If you, when you want to move it or take it off, you just unlock it. All right, but there it is. So then what I do with our brilliant Ninja trading system is I draw a pitchfork onto this. So I'm going from X to C to D. There we go. And then I know that this trade is heading for this median line, okay? So I can then take all of the Educator alerts. I'll turn my Educator on. Okay. Oh, turn the wrong one on. There we go. And I'll put my Heikin-Ashi candles on. And then what I'm then doing is I'm waiting for all the ninja ups because I'm heading for this line. I don't want to take anything that's a sell. I want to take all of the buys. So all the ninja ups I get from now on, I'm going to take up to this median line. And that is basically our ninja trading system in a nutshell. You draw on your pitchfork, you head for the median line after the harmonic scan is drawn, and then you take the ninja ups up to this line. So potentially in this trade, there's up to 197 pips there, and your stop loss will be just under your D. So you can see how powerful this is. So this is a long position. So it's a bit slow because I'm screen sharing. But look, your risk to reward, I would put my stop loss just under the D. That is your stop loss. That is your reward. How good is that, eh? It's not too bad at all, is it? And then I would just literally, I'd set an alert for the ninja up on this. You could even drop down time frame to the 15-minute and wait for all the ninja up alerts on this scan. Okay, let's get rid of that because that's not valid anymore on that 15-minute. You would wait for your ninja up alerts and you're heading for the median line. Okay, so next time I get a ninja up, I'm in for a buy up to here. Right. That was a very, very quick presentation on that. So I hope you now know how to put your harmonic scan onto your trading view. Hopefully that's helped. I'm not very good at explaining things. I'm not technical in any way, shape or form, which just goes to show you that you don't have to be super whizzy technical to be able to trade. All I know is I know how to do that, and I know how to wait for a ninja up alert, and I know how to grab pips. So if you want to come and join our ninja trading system, we trade this live. You know, we trade in live every day in our group, but we do this all together. So we go and look at the scans, we drop our harmonic scans onto our trading view, we wait for ninjas up, we draw pitchforks, we show you how to do that, we show you how to lock in profit, we show you how to make sure your trades are running at a perfectly suitable risk for your account size, so nobody's risking anything more than they need to. It's all good stuff. So come and follow us along and go and draw, go and practice, just go and practice drawing harmonic scans onto TradingView. And literally you get really, really fast at doing that. I do that in, like, you know, I literally just draw it on like that, write down the times, whack it on the chart. Bob's your uncle. Right, thanks very much everybody, and don't forget to subscribe, and there's lots of other training videos in here as well. Go and have a look at those. Thank you very much. Goodbye.